Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Natwest Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Natwest Bank Login. As the search result, you can see on the first option, Login to Natwest Online Banking. Click on it. It will take you to this interface over here. You can choose how would you like to log in. You can use your customer number or your card number. To log in using your customer number, enter the customer number of your account. That is, this is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number. Once you do that, click on continue. You will be redirected to the passport section and from there enter your password and you will be logged into your Natwest Bank account using your customer number. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here forgot your login details to reset it. And if you want to log in using your card number, click here on card number and enter your 16-digit number and then follow the prompts to log in into your Natwest Bank account. So this is how you can log in into your Natwest Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.